All right, get in.
Can we talk about this?
There's nothing to talk about. Get in.
I can't fit in there.
You're Fudgy the Whale, the famous Carvel ice cream cake. My kid's been talking about your chocolate crunchies for 6 months. So get in.
Come on, lady.
You better do it.
Carvel's Fudgy the Whale cake. It's irresistible.
Ow, 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 ow.